Everybody talks about how much you can make with Uber Eats, but nobody talks about how much you can actually keep. I have seen drivers brag about $1,000 a week, but when you strip away gas, insurance, and dead miles, a lot of them are working for a minimum wage. Last week, I tested my strategy. So, part time hours, no burning myself out, and the result is over 500 in a single week. With my expenses are already covered, and here's the kicker. So, I did it by working smart, not hard. So, let me break it down for you. So I did 3 hours on Monday, which is for $85. Dinner rush on Tuesday for $60. So I took Wednesday off because it was completely dead. And Thursday, another 70. And Friday, the money day, I did around $110 for 4 hours. And Saturday, about 95. And Sunday dinner to close it out for 80 or $85. So total just over 500 in less than 20 hours. And that's about $25 an hour gross. Not bad for a side hustle. So what's my strategy here and what do I do differently? Number one, I do drive only on peak hours, so I don't waste time in dead zones. And lunch rush and dinner rush are only the time I log in. And I say no to bad orders. So if it is paying less than $1 a mile, and I reject it. So don't be afraid to skip the trash orders. And take the opportunity of stacking orders and double orders during rush hours. It's a two payout for the same trip. It's a gold mine. And number four, know your hotspots. So I don't chase pings all over the city, and I stick to the three reliable hotspots where orders are flying. And this is what keeps my hourly rate up. And it's not about grinding more, and it's about the cutting waste. So now let's be real. The expenses are always lurking, and I spent about $80 on gas, and that's another 20 I set aside for maintenance, and about $15 for insurance. So also $9 for a mobile bill, and after all that, my take home was around 385, and still a $20 an hour. It's for a clean, and I could make more, sure, but my goal isn't to drive until I burnt out and to maximize my hours. I do work. So if you are in Uber Eats right now and you are frustrated because the numbers aren't adding up, and it's not about working harder, it's about paying the games, smarter. And my challenge is to you to try running just a peak hours this week and track your numbers, and then come back and tell me in the comments so what you made. So if you like this video, please do subscribe and support for 2% growth. And it's not just about hype, it's about the real strategies, and keep your wallet full and car alive. So if you like it, please do subscribe. If you want more in raw, so no bullshit driver breakdowns, and we are growing 2% at a time. And trust me, there is a plenty of more to expose about this hustle.